Unlock the power of clustering in learning English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can revolutionize your English learning: the concept of clustering. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of new vocabulary and grammar rules, then clustering could be the game changer you need. So, let's explore this together and make your learning journey more efficient and enjoyable. Clustering, in English language learning, refers to the practice of grouping similar words, phrases, or ideas together to make them easier to remember. It's based on the principle that our minds are better at retaining information that has clear associations or relationships. For example, when learning new vocabulary about weather, you would cluster words like rain, wind, snow, and sunny into one group because they all describe different weather conditions. This not only helps in remembering the words but also in understanding the context in which they are used. Using clustering has several benefits. Improves memory. By linking words and concepts, you create a mental map, making it easier to recall them. Enhances understanding. Understanding the relationships between words can help you use them more accurately. Saves time. Studying through clusters is efficient. You learn groups of words in one go instead of individually. Aids fluency. Group learning mirrors real-life situations where you use words in context, contributing to more natural speech. To effectively use clustering in your study routine, follow these steps. 1. Identify the cluster theme. Choose a central idea or theme to start with, like food, business, travel, etc. 2. Collect words and phrases. Gather as many words and phrases as you can that relate to your theme. 3. Create a visual map. Organize these words visually. Mind maps or charts are excellent for this purpose. 4. Practice with sentences. Use the clustered words to make sentences. This helps in understanding how these words interact with each other. 5. Review regularly. Revisit your clusters to reinforce memory and comprehension. You can also apply clustering while practicing speaking and writing. When preparing for a conversation or writing on a topic, think in clusters. Prepare clusters for potential topics of conversation or essay themes. This way, you'll have a well-organized set of vocabulary and phrases at your disposal. To get the most out of clustering, be creative. The more personalized and creative your clusters are, the easier it will be to remember them. Use associations. Associate new words with ones you already know, with images or with experiences. Practice with peers. Group study sessions can be an excellent time to practice clustering. Apply to real-life situations. Use your clusters in real conversations or in writing emails, journals, etc. Thank you for watching, folks. I hope this video has illuminated the power of clustering and how it can make your English language learning more structured and effective. Remember, clustering is not just a method. It's a skill that improves with practice. So, keep clustering and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying, and I'm excited to hear about how clustering helps you on your language learning journey.